Okay. My name's Spencer, and I'm going to
Sorry.
be... Okay, well, that's ruined.
Sorry.
Take two. My name's Spencer, and I'm going to be walking you through this session today. We're asking people to try Apple's new operating system, OS X Mavericks, so we can see whether it works as intended. We're only testing the operating system. We're not testing you. You can't do anything wrong. We're just kind of observing how you use it. As you use the operating system, try to think out loud and tell us your process because it'll be helpful to figuring out how easy it is to use. And if you have any questions, I might not be able to answer them right away because we want to know what it's like if you're alone in using this, what you would normally do. And before we start, I just have a couple of questions. Do you primarily use a Mac or a PC?
PC.
PC? Okay. And are you familiar with Macs, though? Do you use them?
Not really.
Not really? Okay.
Sometimes.
Do you use any other Apple products like an iPhone or an iPad?
iPhone.
Okay. All right. So this is the new operating system, OS X Mavericks, and you can go ahead and look around a little bit, but don't click on anything yet. Since you're not familiar with the older versions or you don't use Macs very much, there might not be anything that stands out, but is there anything different that you notice from Macs that you're used to or anything that kind of stands out?
I like the toolbar on the left side instead of the bottom.
Okay.
And I like how it's not like bouncy.
Okay. Okay. So I've got some tasks I'm going to ask you to complete, and again, as you're doing them, just try to think out loud and tell us your process, what you're doing behind everything.
Okay.
This is the first one. You have realized that you need another Finder tab to transfer files to another folder. Create a new Finder tab within that Finder window. So that's the Finder window, and where would you normally go for something like? Where would you think a new tab would be?
Okay, I'm an idiot. You mean like folder or tab? I don't know what tab means. Like, sorry.
Similar to like Chrome, a new web page tab.
Okay.
If
I
you were
don't
going to
know.
create something like that inside this Finder window, where would you think that would be
I
located?
just can't take the pressure. I would open a new tab, probably,
All right.
from the action button. I didn't know they had that, so.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's what we're trying to figure out. I mean, you're doing nothing wrong. We're seeing if how easy it is for someone that isn't familiar with Macs to start using these new features. So that was perfect. Thank you. This is your second task here. Your boss has called and needs you to email him the file from today's meeting. Find the file named testfile.docx in the test folder of documents and tag it work. Okay, so you would use the search.
Oh yeah, sorry. I would use the search. I don't know what tag it means. I'd probably click tags. And sorry if this is your actual computer. I don't know which one is work. I don't know which color represents work. So, oh wait. Okay. I would tag this one. I think it's tagged, I don't know.
Do you see any way maybe to create a new tag or add one that isn't there?
Stop watching me. I don't know. Hang on. Okay.
Okay, so it already is.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah, I don't know how I added that though, so.
All right, this is your next one here. Your coworker has tagged some files website. Find the files so that you can update the company's webpage later.
I would search it again.
Okay.
Or I would click on this tab since I'm already right here.
Okay.
I guess.
Okay.
And click on that.
Yep.
Is that all I have to do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those are the files. Thank you very much. Here's the next task. You're not a boring person and like a little spice in your life. Change the background picture to a different default image.
Okay. It doesn't match with this, but that's okay. Uh-oh. Thanks. I would click change background, desktop background.
Okay.
I would click that again. Oh wait, I'll maybe click on this. Okay. That one's nice. I think it's saved or whatever.
Okay.
So I'm gonna stick with that one.
All right.
Would you like this one?
Yes.
Since I haven't. Okay.
You've noticed that your computer is losing battery faster than normal. Change the time that it takes for the computer to fall asleep so that it saves battery.
Okay. Oops. I would wait. What's the question? I would click on the battery, maybe. Open energy saver preferences. Yeah, and then I would change the time
Okay. All
by
right.
this. Do I actually need to change it? Oh,
No, that's fine.
all right.
All right. And the final task is the computer that you're working on has the dock on the left side of the screen. Normally you prefer it on the bottom. Change the docks to display on the bottom of the screen.
Okay. Show view options, I guess. I don't think this is what this is. Okay. I would click on it, right click, change
Okay.
it to the bottom.
Okay. All right. Well, that was perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And do you have any follow-up questions for her, or?
No.
All right. That was very helpful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a teacher voice when you're doing that.
I try.